Hey friends, welcome back to the Self-Sufficient Sister. It's been a while. It's been a wild couple of months, but I'm back with a Simply Earth essential oil box unboxing for December, which is crazy that it's already December. I feel like yesterday was like Halloween. So I have no idea what's in this box, so let's go ahead and just open it right up. So here's what it looks like. Just opening it up. The oils we have are mandarin. We have winter spice. We have clove bud. And then we also have coffee. I'm excited to open that and see what it smells like. We also have a reed bouquet diffuser. So that will be for one of the recipes. We have this. I have no idea what this is. I'll get up. They have like a booklet at the bottom to tell me what all the things are. This is a lava rock shower diffuser. That sounds nice. I like that. Then we also have stickers. So stickers for the top of all the oils. And then labels for all the recipes that we'll make. So here's the little booklet. This actually doesn't tell me what's in it, but this talks more about some of the cool products that they have, like DIY wax melt kit, a free guide about diffusers and blends, and they have 12 days of promos. Cool. All right, and then we have the recipes. First one is a winter ember roll-on. So this is one where you put in a roll-on bottle so you can roll it on your wrist or your neck. On the back of this one, it tells us what's coming in January. Another one is the mini Joy Reed diffuser. I'm assuming that is what goes with this. Yeah, the reed bouquet. Then we have the Hearth Light Diffuser Blend. And then Morning Glow Shower Diffuser. And on the back of this one, it tells us all the oils, if they're pet safe, pregnancy safe, kid safe, and what the uses are for each oil. It also tells us that this box is a value of over $115, so that means we save $44, about $44. Cool. So this one, let's see, we have winter spice cleans and uplifts, coffee improves mental clarity and warms, the mandarin promotes rest and centers, and then clove bud boosts immunity, supports heart wellness. That's nice. All right, then we have a Solace Air Inhaler. Oh, that's what this is. This is an aromatherapy inhaler. Cool. Interesting. Oh, we'll have to try that. And then on the back of this, it has a note from Kate, or Katie. I don't know why I always call her Kate. And then the last one is Whiff and Wonder Dough Set. Cool. Oh, it's like Play-Doh. Interesting. Lasts 1 to 2 weeks. That's cool. We'll have to make that one too. So I'll be making another video to show you how to make some of these recipes. It's pretty cool. If you want to subscribe to their subscription box, it's super awesome. To just every month you get some new oils and 6 recipes to try out to kind of bring some more healthy items into your home. I do have a code that I'll leave in the description below that you can use, and if you use it, you will get a $50 gift card for when you subscribe to their box. So thanks for watching. I will see you guys next time.